Konnichiwa. Ahlan wa sahlan. My name is Lina Annab. I am the ambassador of Jordan here in Japan. I'm very happy to welcome you here today at the kitchen of the embassy of the Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan in Tokyo. I'm happy to introduce you to our dear chef, Miss Nid.
Hello, my name is Nid. I'm looking forward to cook with you today.
Today we're going to be cooking a very popular dish in Jordan and also worldwide. It is called hummus with tahini, which means chickpeas with sesame paste. Usually we eat hummus like this. It's with bread, Arabic bread, you see like this, and then we dip like this, and then we eat. Oishi. It is the chickpeas and the tahini that makes the very special taste. And the ingredients are very, very simple, and they are ingredients that are easily found here in Japan. We use the hiyoko mame or the chickpeas. This is the dried ones. So if you decide to use the dried ones, then you need to soak them for at least 24 hours. This is how they look like when they are soaked. And then you have to boil them, and you boil them a lot. The secret for a very good hummus is very well boiled and cooked chickpeas. So once it's cooked, it doesn't look very attractive, but it is very delicious. Now, if this is too much work, I think there is an easier way, which could be done through using the canned chickpeas. The canned chickpeas are also just as good, and they could be considered even cooked because they are ready to eat, but it is better to boil them maybe a little bit. So the way they are done usually is, of course, we drain them, and once we drain them, we try to boil them maybe for an hour or half an hour. So at least the chickpeas is very, very soft. Now, so this is for the chickpeas. Tahini is what gives hummus its extra nutty taste, and it gives it really that creamy, smooth taste that makes it all the more delicious. So tahini, and then we use lemon juice. Lemon juice is also a very distinctive part of the taste of hummus, and we also use garlic and cumin and salt. It's important that it is it's a grind cumin, not the whole piece, but grind. This is important to know that. Ice water is very important because the ice water gives the smooth, silky feel for the hummus, so that's really very important.
Chickpea and tahini. This is the lemon juice. We can put it on garlic. The cumin.
Cumin is very nice taste. Some people, it's up to you whether you want to use cumin or not. I think it gives the hummus a very nice taste. Okay, and some of the water.
Just before I put a little bit garlic. mix them together.
You see, you noticed Nid was adding water. The idea is for the texture of the hummus to be soft, but not too thick. And also, you want you know this is a good texture. We like to taste, so if we want a little bit more lemon, we put more lemon, more salt, because it all depends on the different tastes. But basically, the lemon, the salt, the cumin, the tahini, they all mix together, and you can adjust it as you like. So basically, this is hummus. It's done, and we're ready to go. Spoon, small spoon. No, the other spoon. It's usually like this. One very easy way of doing it is to go with a spoon like this, and to go like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. And voila, our hummus is ready. But the most important thing that goes with it is the olive oil. So we go like this, we go like this. Yeah, give some color. Yeah.
This is the finished hummus.
It's very easy. It didn't take more than 5-10 minutes to make, if all the ingredients are ready. So I hope you enjoy it.